For today's video, here's a payment I received for 30 seconds of clicking. To get payments like this, you'll need a phone or computer, which is an easy method to make money online. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Take a look at this to find out how I got paid to watch ads. Now, you might make more money, the same amount, or less. If you don't do everything exactly as shown in the video, you won't get the same results, so watch the video all the way through. That said, here are 3 ways you can watch ads and make $7.40. I'll start by telling you about the best site that pays people to look at short ads. In step 2, I'll show you how to pay out your earnings. And in step 3, I'll show you how to automate your earnings and get other people to watch ads for you. So let's go over here to our first website. But don't worry, I'm about to tell you this web address, which is where you can start making money by looking at ads. As you can see here, watching ads will pay you money from their advertising partners if you watch them. So companies here that want to advertise their business come here and pay this website. This website then shares the money it makes with you just for looking at the ads. Now, you don't need to buy anything because it's free. Here, we'll sign up and watch ads to make money. After you create an account, you'll see these ads. You'll get money for watching short videos for stuff like McDonald's, maybe their McBurgers. You'll also get a $20 sign-up bonus. That said, there are also other ways to make money here, so let's talk strategy. For that, we need to go to our dashboard. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is click on Paid to Click Ads because that's what we came here for. We want that quick cash and we want to make that money simply for clicking on little ads, and as you can see right here, here's some businesses that are paying you to click on their advertisements. You have Unit Systems, Smart Trade Coin, Timebucks, and Halloween promo ads. They pay out very small amounts, but the ads only last 5 seconds, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Just let it play in a separate browser. You can also click on every one of these ads, which should take you about 10 seconds. Then, refresh this page so that new ads come up and your money starts filling up your dashboard. Now on this site, this is a quick and easy way to make money, but clicking on ads isn't the best way to make money. So I'll show you a better way on this site. Let's click on Offers and then go to Oju Grid. You can see that this page gives you $1 if you click anywhere on the picture. With this, you can click on all these ads and make more money. This is a very easy way to make money by looking at ads. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, well, I can't watch ads all day, so how can I make even more money? Well, you can see in the upper left corner that they are giving away $700 in a contest. So, click on this contest right here. Now, they do this every day, and I'll show you how to easily win the $700. So, what you're gonna do is get points where it says contest and invite new direct referrals. You can add money to your balance by collecting points. But how do you get points? Well, you'll have to get referrals, which means that strangers will come to the site and watch ads for you. You'll get paid for what they earn plus a $700 bonus, and I'll show you how to do that. As you can see here, some of the prize winners are this guy who won $200, this guy who won $100, this guy who won $50 for 3rd place, this guy who won $50 for 4th place, and so on. Now, if you come in less than 15th place, you'll just get $5, but hey, any extra money's great. And I'll show you how to get thousands of people to come to the site and watch ads for you so that you can not only earn from what they earn, but also win, and I'll show you exactly how to win this contest every day by getting more points. So, direct referrals. Now, you might be wondering what that means. Well, it means that if you tell someone about the site and they sign up and start making money by watching ads, you'll also get paid. Now, if you have 40 direct referrals, their benefits calculator says you'll make about $679 every month as long as your referrals watch ads. Now, let's put in a safe estimate. Let's say we get 500 people to this site. If people watch ads on the site, you'll make $1,714 a month. Now, this is a sure thing. I can show you how to get 2,000 people to the site in a month, which will make you $5,000 in pure profit from this site. Like I said, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so let's do it right now. If you go back here and click on Affiliate Program, you'll be taken to this page. Basically, you'll get 30% of what your referrals earn, so if one of your referrals make $100, you'll get $30. If you have 1,000 referrals and each of them earns you $30, you'll get $30 times 1,000. This number grows exponentially as you get more referrals, so if you have 2,000, 3,000, etc., you'll get more and more money without having to log into the site and watch the ads yourself. With that said, scroll down for now and you'll see a link to promote right here. Now, here's my special link. You'll have your own special link, and if someone clicks on it, signs up for this website, and starts watching ads, you'll get paid. Let's copy this link for now and go to 2 different websites, where I'll show you 2 different ways. The first method is an easy way to get free traffic and could get you a couple hundred referrals. The second method is to pay for traffic. You can get a few thousand referrals in just a few days for a small amount of money, and I'll show you how to do it. By the way, comment down below, I am from this country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. So we're gonna go to facebook.com first, and in the search bar, we're gonna type Make Money Online Club. This is one of the largest groups for people who want to make money online but don't know how. It has over 220,000 members from all over the world. Now, what we're gonna do here is post our little link over here and make a post like this one. Get your free money making website, earn $1,000 a month. For more information, click on the link with the arrow. And he puts his link right here. This is gonna be our link, and we're gonna post something very similar in this group. Since they let you post your links and encourage you to do so, that's exactly what we're gonna do in this group. We're gonna post our link. We have access to over 200,000 members, and we're gonna get at least a few hundred people to click on our link and sign up for Oju. Yes, you read that right. Our website for today is oju.com. Now, let's say you make $500 this month with Oju. Instead of spending all that $500 on food, clothes, or Christmas gifts, you decide to spend $250 on yourself. Then, you can take the other $250 and go to the second website I use to make 6 figures online. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way, because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. Now, this is a website called udemy.com, and I'll quickly show you how to use it. Basically, I can pay money to vendors who have millions of emails of people who want to make money online. And they will send out an email for me with my links and to their email list. They guarantee visitors to my links and people clicking on my links and signing up. So what I do is I go to one of my favorite vendors, or I can click on the solo deals right here, and you can see they have deals right, like this one has 3,500 orders. This one is pretty popular. He has 4,700 orders, and that's a lot. That means people are getting results based on this guy. So I'll click on him, go to his profile and say, hey, send me 1,000 clicks. I want 1,000 clicks to my link to sign up with Oju and start making money so I can get, for example, 1,000 visitors that can bring in $100. That's $30,000, which is a lot of money. So you can make a lot of money, but all you have to do is spend $403. So I'll pay $400, paste my link right here, and click add to cart. Patrick is then gonna send an email to his list with my link in it, and he's gonna make sure 1,000 people click on my link and sign up. That only costs $403, and then I make thousands and keep rolling it up, reinvesting and growing my customer base on Oju. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.